How to control your dreams, lucid dreaming for beginners. Have you ever wanted to control your dreams? Maybe you've experienced it once, flying through the sky, meeting someone you've lost, or bending reality like you're inside a movie. That's called lucid dreaming. And yes, you can learn to do it consciously, even every night. This guide is your starting point. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be fully aware inside your dream? Let me know in the comments. Your experience might inspire someone else. Step 1. Prepare your mind and your notebook. First, you need a notebook or something to write on. This is non-negotiable. Most people fail at lucid dreaming because they skip this. Why? Because this step sets the mental intention that I will dream and I will remember. So tonight, place a notebook beside your bed. Doing that already tells your mind, this is important. What would you write in your dream journal if you could remember your last dream right now? Step 2, time it right. Ever wake up randomly at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m.? That moment, believe it or not, is golden. Lucid dreamers call it an awakening. You can force this by setting an alarm 4 to 6 hours after falling asleep. That's when you're likely to enter REM sleep, the dream zone. But even without an alarm, you can still use this method if you simply fall asleep with intention. Try this tonight. Set your alarm 5 hours after sleeping. Are you willing to commit? Step 3. Use the mild technique. Mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. Here's how it works. Before you sleep, you plant a mental seed that will wake you up inside your dream. Repeat this phrase in your mind. The next time I'm dreaming, I will realize I'm dreaming. Don't just say it, feel it, believe it, mean it. It's not about magic words, it's about intention. That moment of self-awareness should feel important to you. Quick question, if you became lucid tonight, what's the first thing you would do? Step 4, build your dream recall. This is where your notebook becomes powerful. When you wake up, write down anything you remember, even a word or image. This strengthens your dream memory. If you don't remember any dreams, no worries. Make one up. The brain loves patterns. The more you write, the more you'll start remembering. Ever had a dream so strange you couldn't explain it? Type a word that describes it best. Step 5. Re-script a dream. Pick a dream memory or make one up. Replay it in your mind. Now, insert a moment of realization. You're underwater on the Titanic. Suddenly you think, wait, how am I breathing? This must be a dream. That moment is everything. That's lucidity. Practice it, visualize it, repeat the dream and the moment of realization again and again. What's the weirdest place you've ever been in a dream? Share it. Others might relate more than you think. Step 6, fall asleep with intention. Once your dream scenario is replaying in your mind, repeat your intention. Tonight, I will realize I'm dreaming. Then let yourself drift off. Don't use your phone, don't get distracted. Just carry that intention into sleep. Before you sleep tonight, ask yourself, what do I want to find in my dream? Bonus, use dream triggers and reality checks. During the day, look at your hands and ask, am I dreaming? Make it a habit. If you do this enough, you'll eventually do it inside a dream and realize what's happening. Try this once today. Look at your hands right now and ask, am I dreaming? That single act might be what wakes you up in a dream. Final note, lucid dreaming takes practice. But once your brain connects the dots, you'll start waking up inside your dreams. That's when it gets fun. Fly, explore, heal. Ask your subconscious questions. This isn't just a trend, it's a skill. Like learning to play an instrument or speak a new language. Don't stop after one video. If you're serious about mastering your dreams, hit subscribe. There's so much more to explore. The dream world is yours to command. Sweet dreams. Dreamwalker.